Hello and welcome to this software video. Today I'll be talking about the types of software. Software. Software is the programs that run on a computer. These programs contain a series of instructions to the computer. When a program is run or executed, the computer goes through these instructions one by one and so accomplishes its tasks. So, there are two main types of software. The first main type of software is system software, also known as operating system software. This is a system program that controls and organizes the general operation of a computer. The second type of software is application software. Application software lets you carry out tasks on a computer, such as writing an essay. So, now I'm going to go through the different types of application software. The first group of application software is the office productivity software. This contains word processing. Word processing software is the preparation of typed documents that contain mainly words and some pictures. This can be used for writing an essay, for example. So an example of this type of software is Microsoft Word. You can type documents, edit your text, format it, and etc. etc. So, the second type of office productivity software is desktop publishing software. This is like word processing, but text and pictures are managed into columns, as in a newspaper. So, an example of this is Microsoft Publisher. Some templates which you could use are brochures, business cards, calendars, etc. The next type of office productivity software is a spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel. This is a table of numbers, well, mostly numbers, arranged in rows and columns with related charts and graphs. So, example of this once again, Microsoft Excel. You can get numbers in, create graphs, have formulas to solve these problems, problems, etc. And finally, the last type of software in office productivity software is database software. This is used for managing records. Even people who never use a computer are affected by the use of this kind of software because database software is used to keep records that relate to people. An example of this is Microsoft Access. As you can see here, I have a database of different types of cars. You have the car ID, the make, the cost, date purchase, etc. This is very useful for lots of firms trying to focus around ICT. Progressively, the next type of software is web browser or communication software. Web browser and communication software helps you use the web and collaborate with others. An example of this is web browser software. This is Google Chrome. The web browser is Google Chrome. However, the search engine enables you to search the web by entering keywords that describe the information you're looking for. An example of this is Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. So they're common web browsers. And Yahoo and Google are popular search engines. Progressively. Now we're going to move on to the presentation software. First type of presentation software is image and sound editing software, which helps you prepare and edit pictures, photographs, videos, and music. An example of this, Adobe Photoshop and Audacity. Moving on. Web authoring software. This software is used to create a website. A website is structured a collection of web pages that are accessible via the internet. An example of this is Dreamweaver. As you can see here, I have one. This is an example of web authoring software. When you put in the code, it ends up looking like this on the actual website. So, moving on, project management software. So, project management software can be used to track and chart the timelines of the individual tasks or events that have to be completed in order to complete a project. An example of this is a Gantt chart. Unfortunately, I do not have a Microsoft project, which is an example of project management software. However, you can create a Gantt chart on Microsoft Excel. This is what it would look like. Yeah, you see your different weeks and just create the timings that needs to be done in. Now, Now I'm going to be talking about custom written or bespoke software. Bespoke software is software that has been uniquely created to meet the needs of a particular business or individual. An advantage of bespoke software is you get what you want. Whereas off-the-shelf software may not encompass all your needs, bespoke software is tailored just for you or your business. Another advantage of bespoke software is the program is written for a specific purpose and therefore making it run faster because its code is optimized to serve that one purpose only. Alternatively, a disadvantage of bespoke software is that because this custom software takes time to develop. If the business used an easily available software package instead, it could be off to a quick start in computerizing its activities. Another disadvantage of bespoke software is you may have to spend some time training staff to use custom software, as it will not be like other software. Now, here's a quick test to see if you've learned some stuff. Okay, so name the software you would use for writing an essay. Pause the video here and answer the question. Okay, so the answer of this is word processing software. Remember, when these types of questions come up, never use an example such as Microsoft Word. That's an example of word processing software. You need to name the type of software. Number 2, name one advantage of bespoke software. Once again, pause the video here and answer the question. So, one advantage of bespoke software is that it's tailored specifically for your needs, and the program runs faster as it's built for one purpose. And finally, what is an operating system? It controls and organizes the general operation of the computer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.